So now we're going to disconnect this flex duct from the roof that is part of the ventilation air system on this furnace at the time. Just clip the zip tie, slide that up, and then there's a clamp underneath there. 5/16, yep. Okay, push back out of the way. And there's some screws holding into the roof jack vent that connects to the furnace. So now we're going to try and pry that to get that vent to slide up. Slide up. Of course, this is a concentric, so there's an outer 8-inch pipe and an inner 5-inch pipe. Outer 8-inch pipe is for the fresh air, and the inner 5-inch pipe is for the exhaust. Right, now she's just going to remove these screws from the base that are securing the furnace to the floor of the home. And of course, this furnace, when it was installed, would have been installed at the home manufacturer, so that's what they do. They screw those down to help secure it during transport.